Today we are going to study about schedulers. Schedulers are something which determines how a process must be chosen from the existing set of processors or how a process must move from one state to another. Who decides whether a process moves from new state to ready state or ready state to running state? This is the task of the scheduler to shift a process from one state to another. There are three types of schedulers with respect to CPU. One is the long-term scheduler, then is the medium-term scheduler, and a short-term scheduler. The aim is to assign processes to be executed by the processor in a way that meets system objectives such as response time, throughput, and processor efficiency. Based upon these parameters of the system objectives, they are classified as long-term, medium-term, and short-term scheduler. Long-term scheduler. It runs less frequently. These decides which program must get into the job queue. From the job queue, the job processor selects the processes and loads them into memory for execution. The primary aim of the long-term scheduler is to maintain a good degree of multiprogramming. That is, switching between different programs or different processes is being taken care of by the long-term scheduler, which runs less frequently. Short-term scheduler is also known as the CPU scheduler. It runs very frequently and very often. The aim is to enhance the CPU performance and increase process execution rate. Examples are clock interrupts, input-output interrupts, operating system calls. So these are the interrupts which keep on happening on a frequent basis because the operating system needs to switch from one process to another, and there may be different calls like the interrupts, input-output operations. Hence, the short-term scheduler has more responsibility and it is called more often. Thereafter, we have medium-term scheduler. This scheduler removes the process from memory and from the activity and thus reduces the degree of multiprogramming. So short-term scheduler, the task is multiprogramming, and medium-term scheduler, the task is to reduce the degree of multiprogramming. At some time later, the process can be reintroduced into memory and its execution can be continued where it left off. This scheme is called as swapping. The process is called swapping out and later on swapped in by the medium-term scheduler. So it is the swapping between the primary memory and the secondary memory which is taken care of by the medium-term scheduler. This can be utilized when the memory has to be managed. That means if there is less amount of memory in the CPU and a secondary memory is being used, that time swapping may take place. That is, a particular process may be removed from the CPU and saved in a virtual memory or a secondary memory, that is swapping out. And when the task of the process is done, it may be again swapped in the CPU, which is called as swapping in. So the medium term scheduler is the task is swapping in and swapping out. That is all about the medium term scheduler and the long term scheduler and the short term scheduler. Thank you.